Hello? Is there anyone who can hear us? It will be better if you can tell us our audio or our sound is clear.
Let's maybe we just start.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will need to restart again.
Okay. Got
Yes.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's do this. First, okay. Hello everyone. This is Spark from Shenzhen Noyafa Electronic, and
This is Sabrina, and I'm also from Noyafa Electronic.
This is Laura from Noyafa.
yes, we three here come to get a live stream for you to represent our products, such like our main products, such like a keyboard tester and some other devices. Okay.
And also we are having a free sample giveaway activity, so we will talk about this too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be exciting.
Yes, I think so. And I think that maybe we can describe about our company.
Okay.
Yes.
Our company, Shenzhen Noyafa Electronic Company Limited, is China's leading test and measurement manufacturing company, and our domestic sales is going very well. Also, we are trying to expand our foreign, our foreign businesses too. So we are committed to becoming a leader in the foreign industry.
Yes, and as a leading company in the field for 15 years.
Yeah, we've also been here for 15 years in this field. I forgot to tell that.
It's okay. Yeah, because as a leading company in the testing field for 15 years, we get to reach OEM and ODM experience for many different and famous brands, such like Testboy in Germany, and some other ones such like Kid Pro Kids in Taiwan, and also that Landmaster in Russia there as our VIP
Actually, we
customers.
do have a huge market in Russia, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
Our sales in Russia there I think contributes around 1/3 of the total sales in about the whole international market.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's great.
Yes, and
What's the problem? Yeah.
Spill what?
Continue. Go on.
Okay.
Actually, right now we are having activity which it's okay. Okay, which based on we are giving our actually free samples right now. We are giving 5 free samples of our latest products, and actually there is a little problem with that. Consumers cannot for that activity, consumers cannot enter this or participate into this. Okay, we are getting likes. That's great.
Yes.
Okay, this activity is not for consumers. This is only for business purposes. So the person who owns a company or works for a company only can enter or participate into these activities. And also, if anyone wants to join or participate into this activity, it's very simple. All you have to do is you have to go to our website, which is www.noyafa.com, and you will get all the information there. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we are actually going to talk about or discuss about the 5 products that we are giving away as a sample, and Spark will help me with that.
Yes, and it's a great pleasure for me to introduce our products to our audience there. And the 5 products we will introduce there are.
The first one is.
Yeah, the first one is our star. Okay, the star among the star.
8209.
8209. Okay, and at this time that I would like to give you an unboxing video to show all the details into our products. Okay. Yes. First need.
You want me
Okay.
to help you?
Oh, yeah, it's okay. I think. Firstly, is just a normal packing box, okay, where definitely with quite reasonable quality, okay, and with our product information there, and also
And also
that
the specifications.
yes,
The
the
back of the
specifications on the back of the packaging, okay, and yeah, okay.
Thank you, Lauren.
Yeah, thank you, Lauren, for the detailed shows about our packaging. Yes. Okay, thank you. And at this time that I will open the box for you, so that you can know about the details in the box. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And firstly, we will get a bag. Okay, the tour bag there for the whole set, which is very convenient for workers to bring them together with them. Okay, anytime, anywhere that you need to use the tour, you can just get the bag at hand. Okay,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very
and
handy.
that's all. So it's very convenient for people to bring the
You can travel
device.
with that anywhere.
Yes, yes. Okay, and now that I will need to get closer to the real products now. Yes, let's open the bag. Wow,
What's here,
you can
right?
see.
We have a little instruction manual. It's gonna help you. It's in English, don't worry. You can understand. And this one is for after sales service. Yeah.
Yes, that what we can call is also the quality card. Okay, any customer with this card can get free repair during the warranty. Okay, and now that the major actor comes to our life, and that are the I think maybe you need to do some help. Okay, and this is our products in iPhone 82009, and which is a very useful and multifunction products for many applications like the network workers and the network engineers to get all the network installed for any company or home. Okay, I think that maybe Nora, you can.
Yeah. A
you can
detail
display.
show.
Yes, a detail show. Okay.
This one too.
Yes, and we get a wire map here, so that the
This
customers.
little one.
Yes, and this is the receiver. Okay. Yes.
Okay, maybe we have to talk louder.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I will try. Okay. And this time that I will show you more specific about all the ports. Okay, because our device gets some limitation, or what we can say is that the burn level for all the device. Okay, and we get one, two, three, four ports on the emitter. Okay, and on the emitter there you can get different ports for different functions. The first one, which is a function very useful for PoE. Okay, yeah.
You can see that's a PoE. Okay.
Yes, and also that customers can get it linked to the PoE switch to test the PoE standard, and also that the voltage or the other or the other PoE functions through this port. Okay, and the second one, which is just beside the PoE port, is lens and flash. What does this mean? It means that you can test the cable length through this port, and also that you can get the cable traced by the port flash function through this port as well. Okay, these are the two. One is PoE, the other is lens and port flash functions for the products. And the other two, we can see that just on the side of the device, which is count, and also that scan. Okay, The count one means that we need to do the wire map to check about the continuity for the cables sometimes. Okay, and for the count one that you need to add the remote terminal there.
It's also called wire map.
Yes, it's also called wire map. Okay, we need to get these two ports linked together with the target cable, so that we can check whether the cable is okay to use.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about this one?
This is a receiver which is designed for the for the cable tracker. Okay. Because there is a
209.
yeah, okay. 8209. Sorry. 8209, there is a multifunction device which can do the tracker for the cables as well. That's like we need to get the target cable from a batch of the whole lot of cable, so that we need to use the receiver. Okay, and to get that, you need to get the cable to with one end that insert into the scan port on the emitter. Okay, and the other port that you don't need, because you don't know that the other port where it is. Okay, and we need to use the receiver to track which is the target cable that we are looking for. Okay, that's the main what we can say is the main function for the receiver here. Okay, and about the receiver there, you can see we get power or set button, which is that to turn on the receiver, or the sensitive adjustment switch there on the side. Okay, it's very easy, because at the first, at the beginning, that if you don't know which one is the right one that you want to look for, and then we need to get the max sensitive so that we can know around the range for the products. Okay, and once we get it a bit closer, then we need to reduce the sensitivity a bit so that we can minimize the average, or what we can say is that the range for the products. Okay.
Thanks, Marius.
Yes. Okay. And about the device there, I think that also you can find some more details about the NCV there, which is very useful for some other products as well. I mean that the NCV stands for long contact voltage. Okay, it means that you can use the device, the receiver there, to find the wire cable. Okay, that the electricity cable. Okay. I think that we need to take a rest.
Yeah.
You should take a rest. And also Sabrina can take her introduction about this product, like overview or main function to our customers.
Yes, I think that.
There are several main features of this product. The first one is like it has 3 scan modes selectable: AC filter mode, analog mode, and also PoE mode. And it can also detect AC voltage preference. And also it can test physical status for STP, UTP, for LAN cable. And it can measure cable length accurately, and the range is 120 meter. The range is 120 meter. It's very important to know, I guess. And also it's also a main features. PoE testing. Identify which pins are providing power and detect how much voltage. Identify which type of PSE. Okay, these actually were the main features of these products.
Yes, I think that thanks for Sabrina about the introduction about the products. Okay, the functions. Okay, and
now we are going to see how to use that product, right?
Yes, I will try to demonstrate how to use it. Okay.
Show some operation.
Yes.
You should be in the camera too, Lauren.
Yes.
Come
You
here.
need to.
I think I as an assistant is better because the video 2 people is enough and my hands will be the camera.
Yes. Okay. And at this time, that firstly, what we can say that okay, to get any what we can say, the first start of the products, we will show you that from the very beginning of the products. Okay, and at this time that you can see about the buttons here. Okay.
Start.
Yeah, the total is that in fact the workable buttons are 6, okay, and it will be very easy to find it. Oh, maybe you just get 5, okay, because the top 2 there was linked together, and this one which is as a power button, which we can turn the device on. Okay, yeah, you can get the light there so that it was turned on.
Yeah.
And at this time, that I think, yes, Norin, maybe you can introduce about the screen or the menu. Yeah.
Now we can see the screen. This one is for count and the second one, you can see it. The second one is for the cable length and the third one is for the scan. This one is the PoE and this button is for the flash. The last one is the setting about this service, I think. Okay.
Okay, thanks. And let me give more specific introduce about the products. Okay, the first one there, which because the limitation about the screen there, we need to get all the functions to be seen for customers. So we get some sort of simple words. Okay, and the first one there is count, which stands for continuity. Okay.
Continuity testing.
Yes. So at this time that when people or our customers choose this function, it means that he need to test the continuity for the cable. I mean that whether the cable is okay to use. Okay. And at this time, I will show you how to use it. Firstly, you need to get a cable and find the 2 ends of the cable here. Okay, with a crystal head. Okay, I mean that the crystal head plug. Okay.
What pin is that? 8 pin?
Yes, 8 pin. Okay.
It's a 8 pin cable.
Yes, and at this time that we need to insert one end into the count port so that we can get it connected to the device.
Be careful the port. Every port that have every
Certain function.
Yeah.
Are we measuring the length?
we can't make mistake if you put this port to the PoE that you can't do this testing. So be careful. Use to this port.
Okay, and this time that it means that the device connected with one part of the cable. Okay, and then we need to insert other end
So the wire
into the wire map. Okay. Yeah.
one.
Okay, at this time that this one was collected together, and we get a whole line, I mean the whole cable here, to be collected by our device. Okay, and at this time that what you need to do there is, okay, then we just need to press the OK button, and then it will tell you that about the types for the cable that it can test. Okay, maybe Lauren, we can
Yeah, I
get
can
that.
show that.
Yes.
So in the screen, they will show the cable type is Cat 5E, C or 6A. If you press OK to test, you can show the cable type, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And at this time, that is very easy because the guidance on the screen will tell you what you need to do next. Okay, press OK to test. So you just need to get a simple press and then it will show you about the well map result.
We can see that the well map result is connect one by one.
Yeah, and you can see from our current cable there, they got some problem. I mean that the result shows that as you can see that the second pin connected with 2, 3, 4, 5 there, and there's a little tip. There's a little tip for customers to identify which is which. Okay, because you get, I see that because you got two ends here, and you don't know which pin. Does that the first one, I mean 1 to 8. Okay, the second one 1 to 8, and at this time, if we get nothing to show which side about the 8 pins belongs, then you need to find the 2 pins, the 2 ends there, to clarify which one is it, right?
Yeah.
Where is the problem is, okay? And
so the cable has some problems, right?
yes, and at this time that we get some little tips for customers so that they can know which end gets some problem.
Yeah.
Okay, Lauren, question for you: whether you know where is it?
I think we can see the number 1 is connect to the number 1, so I think the first pin is okay.
Yes.
But the second pin is connect to 8 to 5, 2 to 5, so I think the 2 pins is broken.
Yes.
And also 4, 5C is the same. They have some mistake in these pins, right?
Yes.
So.
Yes. I can give you 19 points. Okay.
Oh, just 19 points?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the main thing there is that okay, we get our screen. Okay, I think maybe we can show it in more details because there are two sequence of the numbers from 1 to 8. Okay, and we can get it very clear with the alphabet there in the beginning, okay, which is R and M. You can see?
Yeah.
I need to see.
Yes, I see. You can see R and
Yeah.
M, right? Well, at this time, I think that from the previous description, I think that maybe some customers get what I mean already. I mean that is R stands for
Oh, Facebook.
remote terminal, okay, and M means main, which is emitter, okay. So it means from the result there, we get second pins
Yeah.
on the remote
It's
side. Okay, on the remote side there, get some problem. Okay, not others. So it will give more, what we can say that specific result to show customers about the result. Got that?
Yeah.
I mean R.
Lauren's voice is
Clear
great.
and loud.
Yeah, and
Okay,
it's
thank you,
loud.
Sam.
Okay, I mean that both of us know that R stands for remote terminal, which is a wire map.
Well
Okay.
map, okay.
And M stands for main, which is a main port.
Main port.
Main port, okay,
Okay.
means the emitter. Okay.
Emitter.
So at this time, we can get some clue about there's something wrong with the remote part, the second pin on the remote part.
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't need to get all the pins reload again.
Okay.
Got it? That?
Got it.
Yes.
There's another comment. Lauren, can you see?
Okay, maybe Lauren can do some help.
Maris, how does the water
Leakage
detector also work?
The water leakage detector. Are we
Water
talking about that?
leakage detector. Oh, I think that.
That's another
Oh,
product,
sorry,
right?
that's not our product at this time.
Yeah.
Yes, because that we get some what we can say that different types of products, but the water
It's not the
leakage
last
one
one,
there,
the last
no, the water leakage detector there is not our product. Okay, our main product there, in fact, get some other what you can say that it's opposite function for that. If you get some blockage in your pipe or some other things in the pipe there, you can get our products to detect the blockage point for
Like
you.
where is the point?
Yes.
Something like that.
So it's not for leakage anymore. It's for blockage. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for your
Yeah, thanks
question.
for your
Yeah.
comments, Marias.
Yeah.
Okay. At this time that we get count function. Okay. Okay. And the second one there is about the length. Yeah. You can show it. Huh?
Yeah, the second button, we can see that this one is for the cable length. So if you press this one, then we can test the cable length.
Yes. And for the cable length test there, I need to say that. I see.
What?
Sorry.
Blockage.
Sorry, blockage. It's okay.
Hi, I'm from Philippines. I'd like to ask. Oops, where did it go?
Yeah. At this time that what we can say that.
We had a comment. Okay. I'd like to ask model NF
Sorry. Maybe we need to.
8601. What's the mix? Okay. He
What?
wants to know about the product 8601.
Okay.
Okay, we will get to that.
Okay. I think maybe we can introduce our A
The
to.
middle one. Yeah.
Okay, I will discontinue the introduction for this one and turn to A601. Okay. Yeah.
Where is our 8601?
Yes.
Give it to
That one.
Yes. Okay, this is our A601 and also it's very
Superstar product.
Yeah, it's our
Yes.
selling product right now.
It's very popular, okay, from every aspect, and the reliability about the quality there get so much praise from customers, okay?
Actually, you can get the best quality at a very affordable price, you know?
Yes, and
That's our company's main, how to say that? It's our, how to say that?
what? Well, at this time that I think that still we will what's more? Yeah, I think that we still need to show about our packaging and do the unboxing video.
Max lens.
Pardon?
The max lens about this product.
I mean that the max lens there of the lens measurement. Okay, if you want to get this, and I can tell you the distance. Okay, the A601 there is 2,000 meters. Okay.
It's 2,000 meters.
Yes, I think that is what it will be very what we can say helpful and useful for many workers. Okay. And at this time, okay, still I will do the unboxing video for you.
And let me introduce about something about our product A601. This product name is about a cable length tester. So the first function, it can measure length of network, telephone, and coaxial cable. The second function is it can identify which pins are providing power and detect how much voltage. And also, it can to test network performance, date packet, min and max time. The Tom chest cable with complete AC interference rejection.
Okay. Thanks for your introduction there. And at this time, that is still continue the unboxing. Okay. First, you will get a very good quality bag. Still, very convenient for to bring.
To carry outside.
And now at this time that I will do the unboxing. Oh yeah, this is not.
Oh, this is the W. It
Yes.
has 8 remotes.
Well, frankly speaking, I'd rather to bring this one to you as well. And
It's the same series product, right?
yes, same series and with more what we can say that.
More operating
At this
capacity.
time, you can get a whole lot of products.
You will
except
get 8
Eight remote.
remotes. Yeah.
yes, except for the standard A601, and you will get extra 7 remotes. Okay, so it will be more efficient for you to do the wire map for remotely. Okay, and this time we will get some extra cables for customers to do some more work. Okay, the first one is the cables for the RJ11 and RJ45. Okay, and the second, the third one there is RJ11 crystal plug there with the other end carrier clips. Okay. At this time, okay, yeah, take out.
Introduce the bigger one.
Yes, that's still that is the emitter. Okay, that's the emitter of the products, and that is the receiver. Still, you get 8 wire maps here. And sorry that I cannot get one for you.
Okay, I can.
Yeah, yeah. When you hear that, you need to know.
Yeah.
Okay. And
So just 3 or every
it's okay. It's okay.
It's all
I
the
see
same.
that. Yes. I just want to let you know that okay, and this time without the 7 extra remotes there, yes, that is what we call A601. Okay, and plus the 7 remotes here, we call it A601W.
the Leo.
Okay, and so the main difference between the A601 and A601W there is about the quantity for the remotes. Okay, which we also call wire map.
And also maybe there is a TF card.
Yeah, TF card is for all
Oh,
this series. Okay, and this time that I think about
Yeah. The detail shows.
yes, the
Of
TF
course.
card. Okay.
So the emitter we can see it. I think this is a very beautiful machine. I love the machine very much. The red and black the red is my favorite color maybe. And for this port we can see that
Yeah,
the
some more
BNC,
details.
RJ11, RJ45, and also they have a TF card port. And for these two is PoE or PING port. For this one is RJ45 scam. And the receiver, we can see that it has some light, power, NCV scam, some buttons like this. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, and this time that I get many, what we can say, customers about the questions about our products. That's like what's the difference between NF 8601W and NF 8601S. Okay, and I get several, what we can say, that the description or from the very beginning about the products. I mean that about the working theory. As for A601 or A601W, the main series for this is about capacity.
Okay.
Okay. And,
So it's all about the TF card.
no. It's about some sort of what we can say that electronic element.
Oh.
Okay. So in the design there, I mean in the device there is very different. Okay, that's the first one. And about NF-A601S there, it was used what we can say that the famous TDR theory, which means time dominant reaction. Okay, and it means that it was specified to use that for the length measurement. Such like customers need to use it to take the length for the cable, So it will give some signal from the emitter to the cable, okay, and it will calculate about the timing when it get reflected,
Okay.
okay. So that's the main difference between the two, and the others there.
And we can
Most-
also watch like if there is any broken line, right?
Yes.
If-
Okay, and that's the other functions. Okay, and also that I think to get some others about the display for all the results, such as the wire map and cable length, this sort of thing. Okay. For more details, I think that maybe we can send all the.
Yes, our products are certified.
Yes, definitely. Okay, don't
Yeah.
need to worry.
Of course.
Yes. And at this time that I will show you about the functions for the 8601W. Okay, and please note that the power button is on the bottom, which is very easy to turn on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the display is blue.
Yes. All the displays are blue, and still need to introduce the functions.
Okay. So everybody can see clear. The first is for the mapping, and the second one is for the port flash function. The third one is the scan, and the fourth one is for PIM function. Okay, the next one is for the cable length. This one is for PoE, and this one is the merchant set. Every button we can see that.
Okay, thank you. As for the functions there, I think that it will be more, what we can say that more specified for many customers, know much more about the products or the cables better than us. Okay, and at this time I will introduce the mapping. Okay, the mapping means also still some sort of thing related to continuity. Okay, and get it.
Again.
Yeah,
The
okay.
cable again.
Cable tester is all about cables.
Yeah.
Yes, about that mentioned about the continuity test there. There's a difference between NF-8601W or NF-8601 and NF-8601S. Okay, so because of the testing theory difference, to get what we can say that different usage about continuity test. Okay, that's like NF-8601S there. That didn't have local continuity
Local.
test.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
it means that it can only test continuity for the cables wire map and the emitter together. Okay, but for the 8601 or 8601W there, they get local mode. Okay, so it means that the customers can get the cable continuity test where the emitter itself or emitter with wire map. Got that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And this time, yes, I will get that done.
So this is RJ4511,
Yeah, RG45.
RJ45.
Okay.
So at the same, connect to the RJ45 port.
Yes. Because that each port was designed with different functions, so we needed to use the device according to our guidance. Okay.
Yeah.
And at this time, when you do the wire map, you need to insert one end to the RG45, which is also called the main port here. Okay.
Yeah. So the
Yeah.
detail show again.
Yes.
See, we can see that it have RJ45 MEM. So connect to this point if you are testing the cable RJ45.
Yes. And yeah, get it clear?
This one?
Yeah, that's yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Oh, got it.
that's the one. Two. Yeah, wait for one. Sorry, we just need some time to clarify that.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes. Okay, at this stage, I can see.
So now we are just testing about the cable continuity.
I think maybe we change it a bit. Wait for one.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. No, it's okay.
Yeah, just do some testing so that I can demonstrate the functions there. Okay. Yeah.
What is that sound?
Yeah, it sounds that there was something wrong with the cable.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that sounds means there's something wrong.
Okay, at this time that I will show you the remote mode. Okay. I mean that with one end inserting to the main port on the emitter and the other end inserted into the wire map. Then you need to do what you need to do is that okay, press the button to enter the mapping, and then you need to choose the right type of your cable, which we have set there as Cat5, Cat6, RJ11, and BNC there, because there might be some customers ask, oh, it seems that you can use RJ45 to test RJ11 cable there. The main function is that yes, in fact, let me tell you private, yes, we can get that done, okay? But normally we didn't suggest customers to do so because we designed a full function RJ11 port for that cable. And for the RJ11 function with RJ45, there is just the plan B for that function. Okay, and when you get that, then what you need to do is just press cable type according to the cable. Okay, and you just need to press OK and then enter a start. Yeah.
Now it's testing.
Yes, it's testing. Yeah, you got
Yeah,
P.
if you hear the sound, that means it has a problem.
Okay,
Yes.
we'll
That's
do
a
some
problem.
detail showed. We can see the screen. They have some pins, 1 to 8 pins and 1 to 3 pins. Okay, see again. 1 to 3 pins is connected one by one. Also, 6 to 8 pins is connected one by one. But we can see that 4 pin and 5 pins have some mistake. So it means that, and also we can hear some voice, and it's mean that they have some pins is broken.
Yes, thanks for you, that. Yes, and also that you can test our Cat6, RJ11, and the BNC there. So, which is a multifunction cable tester. Okay, and this time, so one function that I think many customers are interested is about the cable length.
Yeah.
Because many customers get the cable length test with some sort of wrong operation, and which is a very bad result and a very bad experience about our products. And this sort of problem contributes around, I think, 90% of the bad feedback about our products. Okay, so please, if you get any interest about the operation details, just let us know. Okay.
Yeah.
And about the cable length test there, you just need to enter the length port. And still at this time, what do you need to do?
Connect.
Just connect.
Just press the lens, choose the right cable type, and then insert one end. Be careful. What we need to do is just one end, okay? To the main port.
Just connect one end.
Yeah.
Yes,
One end.
So in this time, we didn't need to connect to the remote, just for the emitter, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
just
so
what do
be
you-
careful.
Yes, what you need to do is just collect one end to the emitter, okay? Without anything collected with the other end. Okay, we just leave it there.
The other end will
Yeah.
be empty.
Yeah, put
Yeah.
empty.
Something like
See,
that.
this one is empty. But now we are testing the length of that cable.
Yes, and at this time, what you need to do is just press OK.
The cable length, right?
Yes, we still get some other options there. Such like unit. Yeah, you need to.
Okay, I can show some. So they have a lot of button. I mean, we can choose. The first is unit meter, and the second one is calibration, and the third one is a load date, and the fourth one is date export, and the final one is the length. So I guess maybe we need to choose the length.
Yes.
Yeah.
So and press OK. So see that, press OK. Now it's testing. See, we can show the result. This total length is 20 meters. It show everything. Why is everything open? I need to ask Spark.
Yeah.
Yeah. The open is mean the total length of this cable. It's
Yeah.
just a result showed. No others means.
No. It just means that the cable is open.
Oh.
Okay. And because we get the continuity test with this cable before, and
Yeah.
it shows that there was something wrong.
Oh,
Okay.
got it.
Yeah, so we need to, what we're going to say is that need to get this cable where the main purpose for this cable here is just show how the device works.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So we need to get a default one. A fourth one so that we can get it, what we're going to say, to show the different
How it
results.
works.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And at this time, that such like the pin test there, because it will related to the signal, we will need you to connect it to the internet, and also that sometimes maybe PoE switch. Okay. And
So what? Internet.
pardon?
Internet.
Yes.
Okay.
And at this time that such like others PoE, yes, where when you get PoE, you definitely need to get I mean that when you enter the PoE function there, there's no other option for you unless you get it collected with a PoE switch, so that you need to tap to detect which pins are providing the power and what are the standards for the PSE. Okay?
So the PoE function is to identify which pins are providing power and detect how much voltage.
Yes.
And
that's
also,
right.
okay, got it.
That's right. Yeah, and about the something like a port flash there, it is some cable tracing that the function we designed for some cables collected with PoE. Okay, we will get a dot on the screen to flash with the same frequency with the port flash. Okay. And the other there is that about the scan, which is about the cable tracer. Okay. Still, we get a receiver and also that emitter to work together to get this. And at this time, that when we get the scan, wait for a while. I need to adjust set there. Yeah, you can hear. It will be very loud. Okay.
Yeah.
And because I've said what we can say that I can adjust the sensitive here by the switch, okay, so that you can hear it when it will be very close to the target cable. Yeah, you can see. Okay, and
It's getting closer and
yes,
it's getting louder.
yeah,
Something
when you
like
get
that, right?
mm,
No?
really more useful for customers to get. And the other port, the last port there is TF card.
It's
Which
like a
means-
memory card, right?
Yes, memory card.
Memory card.
Okay, it will be useful. Some customers may need to get the data export to the laptop or computers to do some analyzation. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the main function about the device. Is there any customers who want to get some more details? Please just let us know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, this have a comment. The test tools are fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. We are trying.
Yeah.
And this time that yeah, we need to turn off the one.
If anyone has any problem or question, you can also give us an inquiry in our official website.
Yeah.
And the official website address is www.noyafa.com, and you will get your answer very shortly, I guess.
And also you can get more details
Yeah.
about our product and also the comparison about the product series. So if you want to know more about our product, just come to our website.
Yeah, you will have all the details there, and also you can get all the information about the free sample giveaway
Yeah.
that we are having right now, and we are giving 5 free samples. So good luck.
Good luck to you guys.
Yes, yes. With your
And
wishes.
thanks for joining to us with this live live show. And this is the first time we are doing that. So if we had any mistakes, of course we had, just forgive us. I say.
I think as a assistant,
Yeah,
I should
Spark
go
did
in.
so good.
Yes, yes.
All credits goes
My
to
hand.
all credit goes to Spark and also Lauren.
Yeah.
Me, I'm just I don't know what did I do.
Well, it's okay because this time that we are learning, okay?
Yeah,
And
we are
at
learning
this
too,
time-
and this is our first time.
Yes, and this time that I think the main focus on this is that we want to introduce ourselves and also our products to our customers,
Yeah.
so that we can get more, we can say, communication.
Yeah.
And once we get the phone communication there, I think that we can get more about questions customers may be interested in, and answer your questions as soon as possible.
Yeah,
So-
we are very good at that.
Yeah. And we also wish to see you guys in next time. I'm so wish that. So maybe we need to say goodbye.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Yeah.
Stop.
How to make it stop?
I don't know.
Finish. Wait. Okay, slowly.
Yeah, and there's the other one there, still.
Edit post.
Okay, this one I don't know because it's in Chinese.
I don't
Yeah,
know too.
you can. 我不能女孩这个那个，不然他那个
关掉吗？
关掉。
嗯，确定？Okay.